To speed up a video in CapCut, start by opening the CapCut application on your mobile device and ensuring that it is up to date. Once the app is open, select the video you want to edit and wait for it to fully load. If you want to speed up a specific section of the video, tap on the video and use the split function to isolate the section. After splitting, select the speed option and then tap on normal. Drag the slider to the right to increase the speed of that particular section. Play the video to see the sped up effect in action. If you prefer to speed up the entire video, tap on the video, select the speed option, choose normal, and drag the slider to the right. Once you have adjusted the speed, tap the check mark to confirm. Playing the video will show the entire video at the increased speed. You can fine-tune the speed of your video by selecting the normal option at the bottom and dragging the cursor left or right to decrease or increase the speed as needed. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, tap the check mark to finalize the changes. This method is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to manage the speed of your video easily.